Hello friends, welcome to Learn JavaScript series. In this video we are going to use built-in window object, and we will use that object to open a browser window. So a window object is available wherever you code your JavaScript. So we can use its open method to open a new browser window. So the open method accepts three parameters. One is a URL. So using this you can specify which URL you want to open in the new browser window. You can also supply your local document also. Then you can specify name for the target window. Name for the target window. Then so this name will be given to that newly opened window. After that you can specify window specification. So the third parameter will be the specification parameter. So the specification is actually a string. So it's a comma separated string actually. Alright, so in this example we will specify the below given specification. We will open a window, then we will give a width, height. So width and height specifies the width and height of the opened window. Then we can specify status. So this will be the status bar, whether you need it or not. So once you specify status, that means boolean will be set to true. That means the window which we open will have a status bar. Then we can put title bar also. So this is also a boolean parameter. After the title bar, we can set one more boolean parameter, which is resizable. So what happens, it will open a new browser window. Then let's say this is the Google. So if you specify Google as URL parameter, it will open a window with the site navigated. Then this will be the width of our site. So here we specify width as part of the specification. So window will have the specified width. So if you specify 600 pixel, then width of this window will be 600 pixel. Similarly, this one will specify the height. And this one in the bottom, this specifies the status bar. Since we asked for the status bar, it will display a status bar. Then this one will be the title bar. Also here we specified the window should be resizable. That means you can stretch the window widthwise or heightwise or both. Alright, now let us look at the example, and we will open a new browser window that navigates to Google. Okay, now it's a demo time. So if you see, here is our HTML part, and here is our HTML part. Here we have 4 input control. The first one is all 3 here. The first 3 here are a text input. One is to collect the URL. The next one is to get the height of the browsing window, and the third one will collect width of the browsing window. Then we have a button called open window, and when you click on this button it will make a call to open window, and we have written open window here. So using get element by id, we get URL, width and height. Then we form window spec, and in the window spec we specify width equal to width. You can see here it is separated by comma. Then we specify the height, and we append it with the height which you have given in the input control. After that, these are all the boolean flag. We are stating that we need a status bar, we need a title bar, and we need our window needs to be resized or resizable. Here you can see we are using the window object. So it's a built-in object, and here we are making call to open method, and we pass URL which we taken from this input control. Here is the input control. URL was already taken and we are passing that. Then we are giving title for the window stating a navigated. After that we pass our window specification that tells what is the width, height, and what are all the other features we want to enable. Now we will execute this in IE and Chrome. So by default it is 400, 650. Let me open this. And you can see that it navigated to Google. So you can resize if you want, and you can also see that there's a status bar in the bottom, and this will be our title bar, and we can able to resize the window. And if you want, you can change the parameter. So now this will appear in a reduced size. Now we will execute this in Google Chrome. So it works the same way. And Google, if you see, by default it is providing the scroll bars. And here you can resize. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.